Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. So today we're going to be doing the first look with this beautiful palette here. I am so excited. It's the Colourpop Coast to Coral. So I brought this one in for this week's Shop My Stash, but I've also brought the child in for this week's Shop My Stash, and I asked you guys which you'd like to see first, and some of you said this one, so obviously I'm going to use this one first. So it just looks like this. So I don't know whether I'm going to be doing 3 or 4 looks. I think it's going to be 4 because we pulled in a eyeshadow from the Colourpop. I think I'm going to be doing 4 looks because I've also pulled some Super Shocks in which I want to use, and I think I'm going to have to go and grab one of them now because there isn't a inner corner highlight shade that I could use from this palette. This is the lightest one here, and I don't think that's really an inner corner highlight shade. No, it's not really. So I'm going to get the Colourpop single that I've got, so let me just grab that. Okay, so I've got it, so it's this one, and it's called Un. So it just looks like that. It's a little bit lighter, I think. Even that looks kind of dark, but I think yeah, it would definitely work better than that one would for the inner corner. So we'll use that. Right, let me just take a quick peek at this. Now I'm going to have to use the Too Faced chocolate bar from that white chocolate shade just to put down before I put any eyeshadows down. And I've just done a Pan That Palette update on this finally. So you'll see the progress if you want to go and watch that video. And I haven't even decided what shades I want to use from the Coast to Coral palette, but look at that. Isn't it the most gorgeous packaging? This is still available on the Colourpop website, so if you like the looks that I create with it, then you can still get it, which is good. I hate using palettes that are limited edition. See, I really want to use this one, the darkest of the coral shades, Diver. Right, so I'm going to go in with Crush as a transition shade, so that one there. Just let me get my brushes. My new brushes that I've been using so much, and I did order some more of these just because I like them that much. So I'm going to go in with the Real Techniques Blend Eyeshadow brush. Right, so right off the bat, there is quite a lot of fallout on the palette there, but as long as it looks nice on the eye, I'm not too bothered. You can't really see it. You can see it, it's just a slight wash of colour. Which we're going to build it up anyway, so it doesn't matter. Let's zoom in. Then I'm going to blend it out with this other Real Techniques brush. This is the Apply Shadow brush. So that's that one. In my mind, this is more of a brush to blend the eyeshadows out, but who am I to argue with Sam and Nick? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take the colour off the brush. I'm going with a deeper shade. Right, so I don't know if I said, but that shade was called Crush. So it looks like we're going to go in with Angelfish. This one down here. Actually, no. Let's go in with this really nice coral shade, Anemone. Let's go in with that one. Again, quite a lot of fallout on the pan. So I'm just putting it in the outer V, just tapping it on. And then I'm going to put it into the crease a little bit. So who's got this palette and what do you think of it? I'd love to know. I've not heard too many people talk about it, but then I've not really looked at the reviews. I've seen a couple of reviews, but not much. I've been watching that girl Shay XO do all her Colourpop eye swatches, and she's influenced me on getting a couple of the newer ones. I think she did one on the child and I liked the way that looked, so that's why I ordered that. Then I saw that she did a look and some eye swatches with the her honey palette, so I ordered that one. And also the Wild Nothing palette as well. That should be coming soon. Oh, I really like that. That pop of coral's beautiful. It's funny, isn't it, how we're influenced by bigger YouTubers. But you can't argue with eye swatches when they're on the eye, and they did actually look really, really beautiful. So yeah, she's definitely influenced me to buy them. I did have my eye on them already before I even saw her swatches, so you know, it just kind of made my mind up for me, basically. But I do like her Colourpop videos that she puts out. I've only really just started watching her again. I used to watch her all the time. See, it looks deeper on the right side, so we need to go in with a little bit more of the anemone shade for the left. Yeah, that's about right. And then I'm going to go in with Diver, so that shade there. So we're not really going in like the last couple of times I've used Colourpop palettes, I've gone in Rose. We're not really doing that this time. We're just going with what I feel like. So we're going to go in with this beautiful shade here. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, guys. I am feeling this look. That is stunning. It's like a peach with like a gold reflect in it. It's really, really nice. It's like the NARS Orgasm of the eyeshadow world. I'm going to spritz the brush and see if we can get it more pigmented, but it is pretty pigmented anyway, so you know, I don't mind if it won't go a little bit more pigmented. I'm going to get my other blending brush. So this is just the Soho one that I always use. Oh, this is stunning. Now if you like peach coral shades, you'll love it. You really will love it. It's just really, just going off first impressions in me doing this look and the swatches that I've also done on the palette, I actually like this better than the Baby Got Peach. Just purely because it's like got deeper coral shades in it, like this Diver shade. So yeah, I really, really do like that. I've actually found my Primark setting spray, so we'll use that. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Diver. Yeah, I would say it's a little bit more foiled, but not like so you'd notice. It's just a tiny bit more foiled. It's obviously worth wetting your brush, but I wouldn't say it's overly pigmented. But yes, a beautiful shade, that cardboard again. I hate the fact that the cardboard gets stained when you use the eyeshadows. Can you see here? But yeah, I really like that. So let me just go back into the Too Faced White Chocolate shade, and we'll use that for the brow bone. And it's perfect for this time of year as well. Peach coral shades, they just look really pretty in spring and summer. But to be honest, I'd probably wear that in autumn and winter. I don't really care. If I love the eyeshadow palette, I will get it out in autumn and winter, no problem. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with this Colourpop single just in the inner corners. And I'm going to use this Real Techniques brush that I'm not overly impressed with, if I'm going to be completely honest, just purely because you can only use this like as a inner corner brush. And it did say when I ordered it that you could use it for your eyeshadow, but the eyeshadow doesn't apply with it. So yeah, that looks nice. Let's put some setting spray on this. I'm going to say primer water. Oh, that's more pigmented. Sorry about my phone, guys. And then we need to find a lash line shade. I think I'm just going to use the Anemone shade. Yeah, let's just use that. It is a bit much. I hope it doesn't make me look like I've got an eye infection. Because when I put red under my lashes and my lash line, it tends to make me look like I've got an eye infection, especially when my eyes water. We'll just do a very light wash. That doesn't look too bad. The left eye always waters though. It's already doing it now. Yeah, that'll do. So we're done with the palette, I think. I'm going to tightline Wish Me Luck with the Too Faced Perfect Black from the Love palette. The mascara is this one, so it's the Rimmel Scandalise Volume on Demand. Right, so it just cut out just as I was putting the mascara on. So yeah, let's get into this. I love how mascara makes your eyes look, once you've finished putting the eyeshadow on, it just makes them look a lot better. Hair is everywhere. Stupid hair. I can still feel it, but I can't really see it. Right, so I basically just put the mascara on the left eye because the new battery that I put in must not have been fully charged, and that went on me as well. So I don't know how long this battery that's in at the moment is going to last. So yeah, this is the finished look. I'm not putting lipstick on just purely because I've got a new lipstick and I'm going to be doing another video after this one. I'm going to haul a few products so you'll get to see it there. But so this is the finished eyeshadow look, guys. So it just looks like that. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It's stunning. It's a stunning palette. I can't wait to do the next 3 looks with it. So this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and become part of our crazy little fam. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.